Changing your login email on Klarna is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Klarna website or open the Klarna app. Enter your current login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select email preferences. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use this to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new email, save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address. Follow any instructions provided to verify the update. By following these steps, you can easily change your login email on Klarna. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Klarna's customer support for assistance.